Volker.
Oh, come on.
Don't you dare reach for that gun. I swear to God, I'll shoot you.
I want you to shoot me, you know.
Don't.
That?
.376 Wood County, shots fired, shots fired. .376 Wood County, 1095.
Need a flashlight and extra gloves.
My flashlight fell down behind my squad there when I boogied over. The gun's right there.
Leave it. Anyone got extra gloves?
You want me to grab a med kit, Brandon?
Yep.
All right. Here you go. What do you want me to do? You stand back for now?
Sure.
Okay. Motherfuck. Damn it, man.
Let's go. I got you, buddy.
Why did he fucking do that?
I got you, buddy.
Why did he do that?
Let's go, man. Let's go. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh!
You want to sit in my car?
Sure.
All right, it's right here.
They're gonna need my gun probably.
Yeah, well, we'll worry about other stuff right now. We're gonna make sure you're okay.
Son of a bitch.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. He freaking did that on purpose. Right before he tried to draw the pistol, he said, "You're just like you're gonna. I want you to fucking kill me," or something like that. And then I could just barely see the buttstock of it, and he reached in and started to grab for it. And
Yeah. Just take a deep breath.
God damn it.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Just him, right?
Yeah, it was just him.
All right.
I don't know where he freaking got it. We were supposed to take away all his guns.
You don't. Oh, you don't.
Huh?
I'm not even gonna.
We know him.
that's fine.
We know him. We've
Just,
yeah.
You want me to give Mel a call?
Yeah, I told him to call 371 and 370. I don't know if they started calling all that or not.
All right.